y'all, just recorded this video for you guys, and I'm loving it. Like, oh, step your eyeshadow game up. Anyway, it's just super colorful and pretty, and I feel like I need to be going on vacation. Like, I need to go jump on a cruise ship right here in Galveston. Like I need to go pack me a bag. Feel like it's just supposed to be this screams Carnival cruise ship, honey. Yes. Anyway, so if you want to see how I achieved this look, stay tuned. Alright, y'all, so I was doing my makeup and I'm almost done or whatever. Girl, this wig popping though, like, oh my god. Oh, I was doing my makeup and I'm gonna do an eyeshadow look. And since I've showed y'all like how I do my foundation, like, I don't know how many times, I'm trying to experiment with like eyeshadows, y'all. Like, I feel like I need to step my eyeshadow game up. Like, anyway, on to this eyeshadow look. I'm gonna go ahead and mute myself out now because I'm sure my baby gonna start crying for something in a minute. Okay, so I probably should have used like a smaller brush to do this cut crease. But like I told y'all, I really need to step my eyeshadow game up. So I don't got the right brush. So I'm gonna have to just make it do what it do. Okay. Alright, so now I'm gonna give me some powder to set the eyeshadow base. This is by NYX, by the way. And I'm just gonna set it with my Laura Mercier setting powder. What color should I use next? She don't know what she wanna do. She don't know what she wanna do. Let's see. Oh, that's pigmented. Popping, popping, popping. Daddy gets off of work later.
Daddy gets off later?
Oh, I like this so much better. Ugh. Ooh, we rainbowing.
Mom, you ready?
Ooh, we rainbowing.
Are you ready?
Yes, are we rainbowing?
Are you ready?
Yep, rainbowing. Boy, get down. Come on. No, look at the camera and say, hey, y'all. You so silly, Cameron.
Hi, guys.
Hi, guys.
Welcome to my candy.
Welcome to my channel.
Welcome to my candy.
You gonna get on there and say it? Hi, guys. Okay, you got your little moment. Say, welcome to my mommy's channel.
Welcome to my mom's channel.
Good job. Okay, so I'm trying to blend this out, but at the same time, like, I kind of, like, don't want the colors to blend out because I'm kind of feeling it. So, yeah, girl, blend it out to your liking because, like, I like the separation. Oh, gotta get that under the eye popping. Y'all, why when we do eyeshadow, we gotta do this? Why we can't just hold our mouth regular? What? No, we're not going to Walmart to get chips. Who said we was going to Walmart when Daddy get home to get chips? No, baby. Oh, don't mess up your brows. Let's see if I can get my... Trying to get my brow bone popping.
Oh, brow bone popping?
Oh, I like this better. Oh, yeah. I don't know about y'all, but everyone always get these really expensive brushes, but I swear, y'all, I love these. The ones that come inside the eyeshadow things, to me, put on the eyeshadow the best. Like, the brushes is cool for blending, but like, I don't know, maybe I'm old school. Because when we first started doing makeup, baby, we was using these. Now everybody want to be fancy and use all these little brushes. But girl, please. I didn't realize how good they work. I'm finna go buy me a whole pack. I seen a whole pack at Walmart for like, I don't know, $3 for a whole bunch of little bitty ones, like for when you for makeup artists to do other people's makeup. Girl, bye. I'm finna get that.
Girl, bye. I'm gonna get that.
Boy, if you don't sit down. Girl, that look way different from that side. I'ma fix it. You ain't gotta tell me. You ain't gotta tell me. I'm about to put on these lashes. I really need some more lash glue, y'all. What's some good cheap lash glue? Tell me. Cause right now I'm using this Eye Envy. Some little cheap shit I got at the beauty supply store. I'm trying to wait for this lash glue to get tacky. Cause when you put it on and it's not tacked up all the way, it don't be right. It start messing up. It's gonna get sloppy. Then I'm gonna have to fix all kind of shit. I'm sorry I cuss y'all. I'm trying to work on it. But I do cuss. So I mean, it is what it is. I gotta be myself. Y'all, it's 11 o'clock in the morning, and it's my second time today watching Boss Baby. And the movie is like an hour and 45 minutes or something. It is my second time watching Boss Baby today because that's what my baby likes to watch. Boss Baby over and over, and Little Rascals. And he called it You Are So Beautiful. I want to watch You Are So Beautiful because when Alpha was on the boat with that little girl, he was singing You Are So Beautiful to her. And so, yeah. So, my baby be like, I want to watch You Are So Beautiful. And it's the cutest thing, y'all.
You are so beautiful.
You gotta hear him. See, look. When it's too wet, boom, you mess up.
Boom, you messed up.
So now I'm gonna have to fix that. And y'all, I'll be posting daily on Instagram too. Y'all gotta follow me on Instagram. I'm gonna put it in the description box. But it's the same as my YouTube channel name. It's Miss Beauty Queen. But it's a little different. It's Miss_Beauty Queen 87. Because I was born in 87. I know I look young. But a bitch is 30 years old. 30 years old. Ain't that a tragedy? I'm just playing. I'm thankful. I'm thankful for still being here, child. But Lord, I did take it hard when I turned 30. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I took it hard when I turned 30. Cause look at that. I gotta fix all kind of shit. Lord Jesus. Let me just let that dry. Okay, is we done? Look at that. Oh, I feel like I'm going to the carnival, child. Where is my mascara, y'all? How I come out here with no mascara? For the lashes. Girl, hold on. And I ain't did my bottom row lashes. Girl, I'm tripping talking about I'm done. Oh, I messed up. Nigga. Alright, I fixed it. It looked like. Oh, I feel like I'm so cute. You know how you do your makeup and can't nobody tell you nothing? Girl, you can't tell me nothing right now. Yes. Oh, this is so pretty. I love it. Oh, she's stepping her eyeshadow game up. Alright, so yeah, y'all, like, share, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram because I do post there daily. And I'll holla at y'all.